How to make one docs in one page. Hey everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. In this video, I will teach you how to make a docs page list and fit a long page in single page. So first, go to File, go to Page Setup, then you will see this page list option. Click on it, and then you can also change your background color, and after that simply tap on OK, and now your page has become your docs has become pageless and you can fit a long document in a single page. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.